来，
Hello friend, now I will show you how to install the APK with USB driver. At first we have to find a PC, and we can download the app first. Now this is the download link. Okay, and then we click enter, and it will be download. And after it download, and we can copy it. We can copy it to the USB driver. Okay, actually I already did that. Here it is. Okay, and now I will remove the USB from the PC, and then we can go to the machine and then connect it to the back side of the. Okay. And then still file manager and the USB. Now we can find the app link. APK is installing. Okay, make them to default and click confirm. Okay, the APK install is done.